this video I'm gonna show you how you can change your Uber Eats payment method. Now what we want to do is just open up the Uber Eats app, and here we'll be taken to the home screen. What we want to do is just click on account, which can be found in the bottom right corner, and here you will have favorites, wallets, orders. We will select wallet. Now from here you will be able to see your Uber Cash, your gift card options, vouchers, voucher codes, and we can click on add a payment method here. So depending on which payment method we want to use, or whichever one we have used, we will obviously just select it. We have the options, or we can choose between credit or debit card, bank account, PayPal, Venmo, Klarna, gift cards, all of these options. For example, if we want to add Venmo, it's going to take you to the Venmo app and you can link it, or bank account here, and it's going to make you link it through this website. And that's basically how you do it. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.